Yesterday, the S&P index fell down but held key support against a key moving average level. Today, in the current hourly bar, we're moving to a new session high. I'll go through the technicals that are driving this stock indices to the upside and tell you where you should worry about further gains absent that, and the buyers are still waiting. I'm going to focus on the hourly chart of the S&P 500, and what I was referring to as far as the moving average finding support yesterday was right here against this black line. This black line represents a 50-hour moving average. So moving average that traders tend to look at. If you go back in time and take a look at this low right here, the market bounced off at the 50-hour moving average there. We tried to hold support here, then fell below that level only to find support against or near the 100-hour moving average. It's a blue line in this chart, and also near the low price going back to this point right here. That was the reason to go higher off of this low right here, and indeed the price moved higher. And what do? We found support against the 150-hour moving average right here, moved higher, and then came down, tested that moving average in trading yesterday. So that was the springboard for further upside momentum. And as long as the price remains above this 50-hour moving average, above the 100-hour moving average right here, those levels come in at 6,288.33 and 6,266.85. The buyers remain in control. The trend remains to the upside, and it's not worth trying to pick a top. You can try to pick a top. It's overbought, of course, by law, but the technicals are not supporting that, just as evident from the bounce off of the 50-hour moving average yesterday. So keep that in mind. On the top side, the sky's the limit as far as the price goes. Traders might try to think about picking a high if the price were to find, let's say, resistance against the top side of this trend line and rotate back to the downside. But still, the price needs to get below the 50-hour moving average. It needs to get below the 100-hour moving average to show that the sellers are starting to take back control from the buyers, at least in the short term. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.